Good morning, welcome to the vlog. I'm Bianca Magsino and it's currently Sunday. It's 7:54 in the morning and I woke up around almost 6 a.m. and I was just on my phone. It's so bad. Hey guys, we're about to leave in a few minutes and I didn't put any makeup aside from my lip tint because I want to show you this one. I found it on TikTok. It's the first acne control body mist, but you could use this for masking also. That's what they said. So I've been trying this for I bought this last Tuesday. So it hasn't been a week yet, but some of my pimples are already drying up, so hopefully I don't get new ones. Hi guys, so we're gonna do a house hunting. Today we're gonna check out this house in Canopy Grove. This is how the outside looks like. I think it has like 2-car garage. This is the main door, and once you enter it, I'm gonna flip it around. This is how it looks like. There's a dining area, and there's a patio, and the living room, kitchen, and then an island. I don't know if we can go out. So it has like a small patio outside. Doesn't have a pool, but looks like this. Let's see what's here. Oh, nothing. Anyway, it looks nice. I'm gonna go inside because it's cold. And then there's a toilet over here. And then here's the stairs, and then here's the garage. Oh, it's locked, so we can't check out the garage. So now let's go up. There's my mom. Okay, on to the right is the laundry area. And then the first bedroom. Then here's a closet. It has 2 windows. There's one big window, and then there's a small one over here. And then the next one is this one. It has one big window and then another small window, just like the other room. I feel like this one is a little bigger, and it also has a closet right here. And then this is the bathroom. It has a bathtub, a toilet, and here is me. And there's just a small window over here. And then there's storage area over here. Now here is the master's bedroom. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted on the music that they use. I love this mirror so much. So nice. And then the master's bathroom, as you can tell, it has his and hers. I believe that's what you call it. I'm not familiar, but it has a his and hers. And then the toilet area, I like it because it's separated from the bath, but I don't think they have a bathtub, so it's just like a shower area, and then toilet here, And this one is really spacious. And then onto the walk-in closet. This is how it looks like. It is big as well. It's really nice. So we just ordered pizza from Pizza Hut. So we're just waiting for it. I think it's gonna take 20 minutes. So right now I'm going to get Starbucks. There's one over there on the right.
I was running ice green tea latte, 2 cups of ice, soy, light ice. Perfect. You're so hot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally got my matcha and now I'm on the way to our car. I got the matcha with 2 pumps of chai and then soy milk. Got the pizza. It's here. So my dad got this cheese and pepper. So cute. My mom went shopping at Abundant Garden and here are the plants that she got. We're finally home and it's currently almost 8 in the evening. I might not have dinner anymore because we had pizza earlier. Good morning guys, it's a Monday. It's currently almost 9 in the morning and I have work at 2:30. So I'm just watching the video that I edited yesterday. I'm just adjusting and tweaking some parts of it. So just like this handwriting thingy that I want to start because I feel like it's super cute, but I'm gonna change the color of my handwriting and make it white. Hey guys, so it's almost 1:30 and I'm about to leave and here's my outfit for work. Look at my scrubs. It has panda. Hi guys, good morning. It's a Wednesday. It's currently 9:34 in the morning and I'm gonna go to brunch with my cousins. Well, the one that I went with to Little Italy, and we're gonna go back because we're gonna check out Morning Glory for the second time. Hopefully we get seats this time. So this is what I am wearing. This top is from Forever 21, Levi's, and then my Nike blazers, blazer mids, and my Gucci bag. Just parked and now I'm walking to Morning Glory. I think they're already there. So we're back again. You have to have your segment again.
Oh yeah, my deep talk segment. We're at Morning Glory.
And it's currently 11:14. We waited for not
Less
an
than
hour.
an hour,
Yeah.
honestly.
So I'm gonna show you the place again.
Text her back. Do we go? I know. Did you do a flower one too?
No. I went to the one that where we parked at before. So I got a chai. He got a mocha. They all got matcha. With soy.
Did you mix it like at the bottom?
Well, it tastes good, like metal good. It's not that cold though. So I got kachapuri, chai, and then we're sharing French toast. Sarah got, what did you get, Sarah?
I got fried rice and then I got French toast.
Oh, there's yours! Sheesh! Ken got the same thing.
Looks like pizza. Not to be dirty. with another Irene. I forgot what I called it. Deep Talks with Irene DeLon. This is my outfit. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little thingy. Okay. I think so, yeah. So Deep Talks. Let's talk about. I'm gonna do this every time you vlog with me. Let's talk about career future wise. Everybody has. This is like a podcast. I think that's where they parked. Yeah. I think everybody has like different approaches to life and like what you want to do. Like you never really know what you want to do, and like I don't even know how to. Obviously, I'm saying the same thing over and over again. Oh, they're right there. And some people never really figure out what they want to do until like, you know, like after they graduate high school, and it takes like a couple of years for them. But like honestly, time is a social construct, and you can take your time with everything you do. My advice is do something you really want to do. Like you don't have to think about like what makes the best money. Like I know in this economy and like this country, like you do have to think about it, but like why are you gonna do something you're unhappy with for the rest of your life? And you know, just live, like do things you would normally not do. But the weather's nice, so I'm in a good mood. The sun's out. I'm in a very good mood. Anyway, here's a fountain. The sun is out and I'm feeling okay.
Hey guys, so I'm super sleepy, but I just picked up my mom. We're in National City, and then she's in Seafood City, and I think she went to Daiso, I'm not sure. But right now I'm in Icebox. We went to this place before, so they have boba and carne asada fries. So what I got is a split cup, which is half winter melon chai, and then the other half is Thai. And then I got it with the pudding, and then I also got bulgogi fries because I remember it tastes so good. I don't remember if it was bulgogi or sisig fries that I like, but I got bulgogi. So can't wait to eat. So we're gonna do a taste test. Taste test. It sounded wrong at first. Whatever. So this is the winter melon chai. It's good, it's not too sweet. Now for the bulgogi fries. It's spicy. Hopefully you guys can see me, but it's currently a Thursday and I have work. What time is it? It's currently 9:36 and I'm on my car waiting for my turn at Starbucks. I ordered salted caramel cold brew, and then I added white mocha because I saw a TikTok that had 4 pumps of white mocha and they said it's good, so let's try it out. Thank you. My first sip tastes like I took a shot. It's probably because of the white mocha. Hey guys, so look at my eyes, I'm super sleepy. But anyway, hold on. It's currently 7:22 and I'm gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. As you can tell, I'm in the drive-thru. So I ordered the Chick-fil-A biscuit because I've been craving like a biscuit. So I'm just gonna wait for my order and then I'm gonna go eat, and then eat while in the car, and then we need to gas up. So it's $3.89 per gallon. That's freaking expensive. And I think around my house it's like $4. So it's kind of cheaper here, I think. So Escondido, I'm not so sure. And guys, they charge if like you pay via cash. I mean, if you pay with card, like debit card or credit card, there's a fee. Hey guys, so it's a Thursday. No, it's a Friday. And I just woke up. I already fixed up. But we're gonna go to a buffet. I slept early because I was so sleepy. It's currently 5:38. And we're gonna have a dinner at a buffet. I don't know where. But I have work tonight. So I still have a lot of time before my work. I don't know where we are. Probably Miramar, Mira Mesa, wherever. This is how it looks like. So while getting food, you have to wear gloves, and then we only use disposable utensils and plates. Also, they don't serve you. You just have to get your food basically, and then you have to wear a mask. But if you're eating, obviously in your table, you can remove your mask. They used to have a dessert ice cream place, but this is the only dessert they have. My favorite! Gonna get a lot of salmon sashimi after vlogging. So here's my first plate. I got baked shrimp, fries, wings, rice, and brisket. And those are my parents.
Video ba yan? Wala na ba? Oh. There you go. Ganda.